I just got this upgraded pressure washer extension. It goes up to 115 inches and 4,000 PSI. It all comes wrapped up in plastic to protect it. It does have a plastic sheen protection on the side. And it has the 1/4 quick coupler. So this is the end that would go in the wand. All right, let me put it together and show you what it looks like when it's all put together. All right, I just got it put together. It is super long, so this is going to be great if you want to do gutters with it or spray your house, up along the eaves and stuff. It does come with 2 attachments here. One is a 90-degree attachment. And this attachment would be good for gutters. This comes with 6 tips and a nice little tip holder here. It also comes with extra O-rings just in case one of the O-rings starts to leak. So let me go take this thing outside. I'm gonna do the side of my house and see how this thing works out. And you guys come along and watch. All right, so this is the extension. You can see how long it is. It's got a 1/4 quick connect on this side. This is my pressure washer end, and it connects right into the extension. And I'll be able to pressure wash the top of my roof there. So let me go start the pressure washer and show you what it looks like. All right, here we go. All right, it looks like this pressure washer extender is definitely going to work out. It is so long, and as you can see, I can get all the way to the top of my house with it. So if you guys need a pressure washer extension, go ahead and buy this one.